Hey everyone, so everyone wants that glass look skin, but the finish that actually is turning heads right now is a little different. It's warmer, it's softer, like you're lit from a candle instead of a ring light. I like to call it the candlelight skin, and here's how to do it. Step one, your base. You want foundation that's soft here and slightly dewy, not full coverage, not matte. Think skin but better. You've probably got a foundation like it. Step two, cream products only please, or liquid. Cream blusher for a warm, flush look to the skin, and a cream bronzer where the sun would naturally kiss your face. It's the creaminess here that is going to help give depth to this look. Now I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see. Now, this is the bit where people go wrong. They set with way too much powder every single time. A big brush, sweep, and it's done. But that kills the glow. So step three, the powder technique. What I want you to do is load a very large, fluffy powder puff. And I want you to work the powder into the puff first. This is important. Now, tap off most of it. Literally tap it off. That's what you want. You want almost nothing left. Almost. Now, what I want you to do is press and roll it gently on the skin. Don't swipe it. Don't buff it. Press and roll like you're giving a fingerprint. It's this that's going to create that candlelight effect. Soft, blurred skin, you know, that has a bit of warmth built in. Now, step four is a tiny amount of highlighter, and I really do mean tiny here. Just apply it on the top of the cheekbones, the inner corner of the eyes, or anywhere that suits your face. The goal is not shine here. The goal is so that it looks like the light is coming from inside you and not sitting on top of you. That's the full technique. A dewy base, cream color, an almost empty puff, and a whisper of highlight. Candlelight skin. Not glass, not matte, just warm, real human light. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.